Hello viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video, we will discussing about the neural net style transformation with Python and OpenCV. So you can learn how to generate, can see the real time neural network style. So uh, you can easily learn in this tutorial. You learn how to apply neural network style in both image and real time video. So you can check it out, the it's very real time, and will be used in many platforms, just like you can use aeroplane, means airport side, school side, and cinemas. So let's start how to work, and how to you get code, and how to you run, and deep learning project will be used your other sides. This original neural network transformation algorithm will introduced by Gates et al. And 2015. You can check it out, the papers of neural network. You can check it, deep learning project in computer with computer vision. So first of all, you download from code from here. You go to the directory, upgrade your pip and install requirement installation, and you can run your app name. I will update here. You can check it out, the algorithm I will show you. We will update in this video. So I will update here the Python command, and how to you run. It is very easy to and smooth way to run, not need to necessary any other things, just copy and paste. Okay, my target is to sum up the sum up the code, and explain, and run the simple Python files. So let's start. You code download from here. I am already in my document, neural network document. You can check it out. Here is the image, two images. uh, Number one, here the number two. So after images, you go to the models. Also, you can get these models from my Git account. Here the two simple basic Python files, with one video and one images. Here are the necessary libraries. You install it: computer vision and deep learning libraries. After you download that libraries, you contract the argument. You put the just like you can see the model, get the model. Okay, then you corrupt the past neural network models, and to list together one model path, and second also model path with the models. You can check it out, two models, one, two. Okay, here then load neural net transfer model and initialize the video streaming. Okay, and you also resizing the your pixels of the frame, and then you resizing the then you put show the original frame along with the neural network. It is two frames, like one original, one neural network. Press the N key to the next neural network will be converted. Okay, so we will discussing about the video formatting. Just you run this command, you get the result. Okay, and I will pressing my you can check it out, the real-time video will be showing. Press and you change your neural network format. Okay, so it's real time. and I will explain the some code. Here the necessary libraries. Here the you can get also this type of arguments for the running command. You press the model. Mm, you can see the model. Here you put the argument. Then initialize the videos and close the function. I'm already mentioned you all these things. So and I will also put once video for the my mm, simple basic child. So I hope so you can see the result of neural network. It's playing to be one simple model. So you can learn in this video about the neural network with Python base and OpenCV computer vision deep learning project. You can easily show. I will show you the one small girl will be play. It's very unique for her, and he trying to play with the video. You can check it out. He will be sitting on the beside front of the camera and see the hits version will be changed into the colorful. So I will show him to the neural network transformation algorithm, and he will be enjoying she will be enjoying. I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting informational updates. Any type of confusion you want to deep learning computer vision and machine learning projects, you will be discuss our page in our page. This code will be in description, link in the description.